everybody, I'm Lizzie with Advanced Auto Parts, and today I'll be showing you how to disconnect a car battery. Before disconnecting the battery clamps, take some basic but important safety precautions. Anytime you're working around a battery, remove any metal jewelry like rings or bracelets. Also, be sure to wear safety glasses and gloves for personal protection. Depending on the make and model of your vehicle, disconnecting car battery components might be more difficult than you think. The battery may be right underneath the hood or hidden underneath a plastic cover. Certain vehicles that feature a stop-start system may use two batteries, so be sure to consult the owner's manual or seek professional assistance for information specific to your vehicle. Finally, always be mindful of your tools. The wrench or ratchet should never connect the positive and negative terminals, or connect the positive terminal to a metal ground on the vehicle. Now, examine the battery closely. Is there any sign of heavy corrosion? If so, it may be difficult to remove the clamps. Use your baking soda to make sure to clean the connectors and the battery post as needed. For the battery post, make sure to use a special battery terminal brush. Do not use power tools or a hammer to try to remove the clamps. Always disconnect the negative cable first. The negative terminal will be marked by a minus sign, and the positive with a plus sign. Use the ratchet to loosen the nut that connects the negative terminal to the battery. Next, lift the terminal off the battery post and place it safely beside the battery, wrapping it up in a shop towel to avoid any accidental contact. Repeat this process with the nut holding the terminal to the positive battery post. And that's how to disconnect the battery. Thanks for watching. See you next time.